Yo, what's up, Wolsters, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just sitting down in my chair vlogging. So I was thinking what video I wanted to make, and I really just didn't want to get ready, and I didn't want to have to set up my camera and everything. I thought I'd just sit down and tell you guys how to make money on TikTok, because that's really all you're here for, is the information, not how it's presented. So this does work 100% of the time. There's no like trick to it except for the fact that you will need a fan base. So I'm gonna start by saying you do need your live feature on TikTok, and TikTok has taken away a lot of people's live features, including mine, so that's why I can no longer make money from TikTok. If you do not have your live feature and you're bummed because you want to make money from TikTok as well, you can check out my fix video for that. It does not work 100% of the time, but it definitely works very well. Just scroll through my channel or sort my videos by most popular, and it'll be the second one down there because it's my second most popular video. TikTok fix how to go live if you don't have 1,000 followers or they took away your button. So step one to making money on TikTok is getting a fan base, a decent fan base, which I'd consider over 1,000 followers. And if you are like, well, you know, I have 0, like how am I gonna do this? You can also check out my other video called How to Get on the TikTok For You page. I have 176,000 followers on TikTok, so I kind of know what I'm talking about. But you can go check out that video, that's more recent. Let me get back on topic. So once you have a fan base strong enough, you're gonna start a live stream, right? And on that live stream, I'm sure you guys are familiar with gift points and gifts that you can send. But what I'm not sure you guys are familiar with is that those actually equal money. Each gift has a different value, so like pandas and Italian hands are very low. You get 2.5 cents for every panda sent to you. And drama queens are the highest. You get $25 for every one drama queen that was sent to you. So the gifts are panda, Italian hand, love bang, sun cream, rainbow puke, concert, I'm very rich, and drama queen. Wow, that was off the top of my head when you're a TikToker. So I'm just gonna go over how much each gift gets you. So panda and Italian hand is 2.5 cents. A love bang is around 13 cents. A sun cream is 25 cents. A rainbow puke is $1. A concert is $5. An I'm very rich is $10, and a drama queen is $25. So these gifts cost twice as much because TikTok takes half your profit. So anyway, the first step is followers. Second step is going live, and maybe how I used to do it is I used to say, for every gift that is sent, I will do an emoji game, or like if someone sent a drama queen, I'd give them more prizes, and if someone sent a panda, I might spam them with likes. You could react to their TikToks. There's a lot of ways. You could do cahoots. If you get a certain amount of gift points, you just gotta keep asking, I guess, and don't make it the main focus of your live stream, but you gotta keep bringing it back up every once in a while and reward your gifters and treat them very nicely so that they will come back. And do not lie. Do not say, I'm gonna follow anyone who sends a drama queen, and then you get it, they spend $50 on you and you don't follow them. And step 3 is making a PayPal account. You can cash out. Your lowest is $50 and your highest is, I think, $1,000 at a time, and then you can cash out every 100 leading up to that. So you need at least $50 to cash out every time, and it goes directly into your PayPal account. You need to be over the age of 18, and since I'm not, obviously, I just use my dad's PayPal account. And how you do that is you go into your wallet under settings and you can cash out. It's very simple. But yeah, I hope this helped, and now you know that you can make money off TikTok. So go and check out, if you can't go live, go check out my fix for that, and if you can but you don't have enough followers, check out my How to Get on the For You page video, and hopefully with all those videos combined, you can start making money on TikTok. Hope this helped. If you did, like and subscribe. Follow me on my other social medias. My Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram are all at willbe13official. And y'all have a great day. Love you. Adios.